Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin and want to secure it on a hardware wallet like Tangem for better safety, this tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and your Tangem wallet set up and ready. Always double-check that you're on the correct network. Dogecoin uses its own blockchain, so ensure everything matches to prevent any transaction errors. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Dogecoin section. You'll see your balance there. Tap on it to access the send or withdraw option. Step 2. In the send screen, you'll need the receiving address from your Tangem wallet. Unlock your Tangem device, go to the receive section, and copy the Dogecoin address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid sending funds to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Tangem address into the To field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for network fees if applicable. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Check the fees and total amount, then hit confirm. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction via your device's security features. Step 5. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. You can track it using a blockchain explorer. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Dogecoin to your Tangem wallet. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the wallet support or double-check your steps. Remember, crypto security is key, so keep your wallets updated and use strong passwords. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.